So for today's activity, you're going to need this package that says Wednesday on it. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to open it out and take out the large foam ball and one roll of yarn and one toothpick. You're going to put the toothpick directly into the top of the ball, just enough so it's maybe more than just around 2/3 of the way through. And then you're going to take your yarn, you're going to unwind it a little bit, then tie a knot around the toothpick. And then after you have tied a knot, make sure it's nice and snug. You're going to begin winding the yarn around the foam ball. The trick to this part is when you're winding the yarn around, you want to make sure that there's no white spots in between. So you want to wrap the yarn right beside each other. So this part might take a little while, but just take your time and do your best. You can go on either side of the toothpick to secure it, and you just got to keep going. Once you finish wrapping it, you're going to take the string and you're going to tie a knot around the toothpick. You got to be careful not to poke yourself at this point. So you're going to cut the string with your scissors, and then you're going to just tie a double knot around the toothpick, and then just tuck the remaining string underneath one of the pieces of yarn that you have. Awesome. And then once you finish that, you're going to do the exact same thing with the smaller foam ball that you have. Once you have wrapped and tied both the large and the small foam ball, you're simply going to put the two pieces together and push so that they stick together, and that's going to form the body of your small chick. So you're going to put it on, you're going to push it together, and it should be fairly snug on there. So the next step we're going to do is we're going to make the feet. So you're simply going to make the chicken feet with your red pipe cleaner. So you're going to cut it in half, and then you're going to just maneuver it just like I'm doing here, so it looks like a chicken's foot. So you're going to essentially have 3 toes and then the leg part sticking upwards, and you're going to do this twice, so you have 2 feet. If you make a mistake and have to start over, it's okay, because you can just straighten out your pipe cleaner and do it again. Once you've finished your feet, you're going to take a small piece of pipe cleaner and just fold it in half to make a beak for your chicken. Last but not least, we're going to make the comb. So the comb is that little red thing that sticks out of the top of the chicken's head. So you're just going to fold it up and down and up and down and up and down about 3 times, using about half the length of a regular pipe cleaner. They're already folded in half in your bag, so to make it easier for you to know where to cut. And once you've made that comb with the 3 peaks, you're going to just snip off the excess. So now that we've assembled our chicken body, it's time to put on the legs, beak, and the comb. So the first thing you're going to do is the beak. So you're going to take an extra toothpick, you're going to poke it where you want the beak to go, and you're going to move it around in circles to make the hole a little larger. Then you're going to take the beak and you're going to put the pointy side in and the folded side pointing out. Just like that. And that's a strategy we're going to use to do all of them. But next we're going to do the feet. So again, you're going to poke using the toothpick. You're going to go around in a small, probably closer to a medium-sized circle. Then you're going to take the toothpick out and you're going to take the leg of your chicken and insert it in the hole. Sometimes it's tricky to find, but just keep trying and I'm sure you'll get it. You're going to do the same thing with the other leg then. You're going to just poke using your toothpick. You're going to go around in a circle to make it a little bit larger, and then you are going to put the foot in, just like that. Awesome. So you can just wiggle it around until it fits exactly how you want it to fit. The third thing we're going to put on is the comb. So for this one, you're going to do the exact same technique. So poke a hole in the top of its head, wiggle it around in circles, then you're going to put the front of the comb, which is one end, in. And then you're going to do the same technique with the back of the comb. So you're going to turn it around, see where you want it to end. You're going to put a hole at the back. You're going to wiggle it around in a circle. And then you're going to put the back end inside, just like this. And there you go. The only thing that's missing now is its eyes. So the fourth and final step is to glue on the eye. So for this step, you're going to need your glue stick and the 2 googly eyes that are in your bag. So I left them in the bag so they wouldn't get lost earlier, but now we're going to take them out. So you're going to take your eyes and you're going to place them. Make sure to use a lot of glue because it is kind of tricky for it to stick to the yarn. And we just put some glue and then you place them exactly where you want them to be. And you should be all done after that. And there you have it, a cute little chicken to remind you about bravery. Once you finish, make sure you take a picture and share it with us. See you tomorrow!